day, we rely on non-renewable energy, coal, oil, and natural gas to power our lives. But what cost? These energy sources are running out. What took millions of years to form is being consumed in mere decades. The result: air pollution, climate change, and uncertain future for our planet. The more we burn, the more we harm. Greenhouse gases trap heat, melting ice caps, raising sea levels, and disrupting ecosystem. The earth is suffocating. But there is hope. We can transition to cleaner energy, solar, wind, and hydropower. We can conserve, reduce, and choose sustainability over convenience. The power to change is in our hands. Let's shift towards a greener future before it's too late. Act now, choose renewable, conserve energy, let the earth breathe.